Remember rotary phones? You'd practically get a workout dialing and answering machines. 2 words, cassette tapes. We've come a long way, baby. Technology moves fast. It's enough to make your head spin. But hey, at least we're along for the ride. These days the gadgets are getting smarter and funnier, if you ask me. I mean, who needs a personal assistant when you can just yell at your phone? Hey, Siri, remind me to Google what Google is later. See? Hilarious. Let's talk about smart homes. They're so smart, they practically live your life for you. Lights, they turn on when you enter a room. Music, it follows you around like a happy puppy. Temperature, always perfect, no matter how indecisive you are. And don't even get me started on robot vacuums. Those little guys are like pets, but they actually clean up after themselves. Plus, you can name them funny things. Mine's called Destiny, get it? Remember when watches just told time? Now they track your steps, your sleep, even your heart rate. They're like tiny little life coaches on your wrist. Although mine keeps telling me to take it easy. Maybe I should start listening. And speaking of health, have you seen those smart refrigerators? They can order groceries for you, although I did have a bit of an incident with mine last week. Let's just say, I'm now the proud owner of 12 gallons of pickle juice. Don't ask. The future of tech is looking pretty wild, people. I'm talking flying cars, teleportation, the whole shebang. Who knows what crazy gadgets they'll come up with next? Maybe pants that iron themselves or a self-making bed. Hey, a girl can dream, right? One thing's for sure, though. It's going to be a hilarious ride. So buckle up, Buttercup. The future of tech is here, and it's ready to make you laugh. And maybe order a few too many pickles.